the behavior of coronavirus in the human body was analyzed. It was discovered that one of the symptoms that caused this disease was the loss of smell among those affected. Now, and after a few months of research, Harvard University, in the United States, after having carried out an investigation, has managed to determine what are the causes for this incidence to occur in the human body. The researchers have concluded that SARS-CoV-2 can in some cases infect a class of nerve cells that are located in the nostril. Not in the case of neurons, as in other symptoms of the virus, but on the contrary, they would be support cells. Reaching this conclusion, after performing various tests on people with the virus, healthy and also animals over a period of time. Loss of smell is not permanent. The loss of smell in the processes of contagion of the coronavirus is a condition that is technically called anosmia, with an appearance of this incidence in the sense of taste in some of the patients who have contracted the coronavirus. However, the good news from this research lies in the fact that it is not a permanent loss of smell. On the contrary, once the infection disappears, the olfactory neurons do not seem to need to be replaced or rebuilt from scratch, said one of the people in charge of this investigation, Sandeep Robert Datta. However, from the sources of the investigation, it is emphasized that this discovery requires more tests to confirm its results. We need to collect more data and to have a better understanding of the underlying mechanisms to underpin these conclusions we have reached, says the head of this scientific study. But the fact that it has been carried out with several volunteers, both infected and not, supports the new advance to have a better knowledge of the coronavirus. In the report that has been released by the prestigious magazine Science Advances, it is a fairly common neurological symptom, and the disease anosmia is characterized by loss of smell and taste in people who have acquired the coronavirus, being one of the neurological symptoms to recognize that you have a viral disease and that it has affected a good number of people who have tested positive for COVID-19, both for older and younger patients. That is, it has no relationship with the age of the patients. Rather, on the contrary, it manifests itself indiscriminately during contagion, along with other symptoms such as fever, cough, headache, and conditions in the respiratory tract.